This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will speak on all stations shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and radio stations will transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the Minneapolis metropolitan area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been active.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have some very unfortunate news to